Hi, I'm Renee. Take this moment to just learn a little bit about a simple thing that you can do to make your core, the corset of your body, nice and strong. You can do any one of these exercises at the level that you choose that I will show you today for about a minute to a minute and a half to begin with. And then work yourself up to a good 2 minutes, if you can, eventually. All right, let's get started. If you can get up and down off of the floor, this is an exercise for you. If you cannot, do not do this. All right, now let's get started. Come on down, lie down on your back. Have those feet flat and those knees bent to begin with. Press the back into the floor, shake it in. Make sure you feel that spine long. Pulling the belly button into the spine, pushing it into the floor. You'll hear me refer to that a lot. This entire back here is flat. Press the arms down. The inside of your arms faces towards the inside of your body. There's a slight bend in your elbows. Lengthen in your neck. Press those arms into the floor. The first position and modified would be to exhale, bring that right knee up. Inhale, bring that right knee down. Belly's tight, back is flat, arms are pressing in. You create the tension. Inhale. Exhale, bring it up. Inhale, take it down. Exhale, towards you. Inhale, away from you. Exhale, towards you. Inhale, away from you. Now, when you do that, create the tension. You'll feel it in your thighs, your quads, okay? You should also feel that in your bum, because each time when your feet are on the floor, you're pressing them in, all right? Now, if you wanted to take it to the next step, you could keep both feet down and then try to lift both legs. Exhale, legs come up. Inhale, legs go down. Back is completely flat. Exhale, legs come up, knees center. Inhale, legs come down, okay? The next step is to bring the legs up, keep them there, and now the feet will not touch the floor. Inhale, bringing those legs down, flat back. Exhale, bring those knees center. Center, knee, hip alignment. If you need to pull them in a little bit, because when they're in alignment, you can't keep your back down, it's okay. You'll get there. So bring them in just a tad. Inhaling down, exhaling center. Now, if you want to take it a little bit farther, you can extend those legs up. You can squeeze those legs together, still make sure that back is completely flat to the floor. This whole time, you've continued to squeeze and hopefully continue to press your arms in. Inhaling, legs come down. Exhale, legs come center. It's not some crazy fast movement. Inhaling down, flat back. Exhaling, center. Inhaling down, exhaling center. Inhaling down, exhaling center. Now it's very important to remember, do not go lower than your body's willing to go. Do not take the legs down too low. If that back starts to arch, that's a real problem. And I was exaggerating there so you could see, even a little bit of an arch is a big problem. We want the back completely flat, nice and safe, and we might as well get our bang for the buck for the entire core area in back muscles, arms, lengthening in the neck, squeezing those legs together, and really getting the bang for the buck. So that's our tip for today. I hope that you practice that. Remember, start at a minute, go up from there. Have a great day.